Okay, let's continue. So mx this time. So we have to double integrate y dx dy, integrate this one with respect to x, therefore yx. Okay, then from 0 to x, what is x? 3 halves 6 minus y. 3 halves 6 minus y. Therefore, substitute to what? Substitute to x. Okay, substitute that to x. 3 halves. 3 halves is constant. And then 1 minus 6 minus y. So y 6 minus y. If you substitute 0 to x, y times 0 is 0. So it will become like this. Okay. So again, you can multiply this one. So 6y minus y squared. So therefore, we can what? Evaluate the integral. So 6y meaning 3y squared and minus y cubed over 3 from 0 to 6. Okay. So doing that, substitute first the 6, then substitute 0. If you do it with 0, both of these will become 0. So 3 halves. So 3 times 36. Okay. And then minus 36 times 6 over 3. Okay. So cancel. This will become 2. Okay. So 36 times 1. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So 36 times 1. So meaning 36. 36 1 times 1 is 36. 36 divided by 2 is what? 18. So 18 times 3. This is what? 24 to 54. So those are values for x and y, mx and y. So what is the centroid? What is the centroid? Wait. What is the centroid? Centroid is what? My over a. So what is our answer for my? My is equal to, where is my? My is 81. My is 81. How about a? What value we've got for a? That is 27. 7. What about x? Centroid. So mx over a. So we got 54 over 27. So therefore, this is what? X is 2. Okay, is 2. YC is what? 9 is 3, 3. This is 3. 81 divided 27 is 3. So we have answer. Okay.